Put
He's
your head
asleep
down
again.
so I can see him.
This is Lucas. He's gonna probably throw up again.
Well, yeah, if you can't have him upside down, he's going to throw up. Like, open your eyes, Lucas. I'm doing a video. Clark holds him upside down and he won't wake up. Lucas.
Oh boy. He's very sleepy.
He won't wake up at all. You had him woke up when you turned him upside down.
Okay. And sleep.
Dead baby.
Uh-oh. Now he's just like, oh.
Can't believe he can sleep like that.
Okay, well, stop recording and